Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Wasim Khan, assistant teacher in Al Mahmood International School, Akola, and we are studying Maths of second standard. In previous video, we have seen placement of numbers. Placement of numbers. So, dear students, let's come on page number 108. How to place 569 minus 6. How to place 569 minus 6. So see, 569 is a 3-digit number and 6 is a single digit number. First of all, we have to write 569 in correct columns. And see, correct, this is correct columns and the numbers are written in this column, okay? But this method is incorrect and this method is right. So see, 5 is at 100 place and 6 is at 10th place and 9 is at 1st place of 569, okay? And the numbers written in correct columns and 6 is at 1st place, okay? So we have to subtract 6 from 569, okay? So first of all, we have to write the numbers in correct column, then we have to subtract number, okay? So subtract the number. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Write 3 in correct column in one place, okay? 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. And 6 is alone and 5 is also alone, because there is no any number to subtract 6 and 5. So write 6 as it is in 10 place column like this, and 5 will be in 100 place column. Answer will be 563. The first number 569 is the median, and we are subtracting 6 from 569. So 6 is the subtrahend and 563 is the difference between 569 and 6. Got it? Okay. Next, how to place 775 minus 34. 775 is a 3-digit number and 34 is a 2-digit number. Can we write like this? No, because 34 is a 2-digit number, so 3 will be in 10 place column and 4 will be in 1st place column, not 100 place, and not 4 will be in 10 place, okay? So this is a correct method to write the number in correct columns, okay? 775 minus 34. 7 is at 100 place and 7 is at 100 place of 75 and 5 is at 1st place, okay? Now 34 is written, 3 is at 10th place and 4 is at 1st place. Now subtract 1st place. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 and 7 minus 3 is equal to 4 and 7 as it is in 100 place, okay? Answer is 741. 775 is the median, 34 is the subtrahend, and 741 is the difference between 775 and 34, okay? And I hope you are understanding, students, how to write the number in correct columns, then how to subtract the number, okay? We will see some examples. Now let's come on practice coach. Question number 1, place numbers in the correct columns, then and solve. First we have to write the numbers in correct columns, then we have to solve the numbers, okay? The first number is 754. So 7 will be in 100 place, because 754 is a 3-digit number. So write 7 in 100 place column, 5 will be in 10 place column, and 4 will be in 1 place column, okay? Then write 42, 4 to 42, okay? 754 plus 42, Add this number, see ones place number. 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Write 6 in ones place column. Then add tens place column. 5, 4, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Write 9. And then 7 will be as it is in 100 place column. Answer is 796. 796 is the sum. Okay. Next B, 356 plus 26. 356 plus 26. Write the numbers in correct columns. 3 in 100 place, 5 in 10 place, and 6 in ones place. And then write 26, 26, 26. Okay. Now add ones place number. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. We can't write directly 12 number in ones place column. So we have to take 2 of 12 and remaining 1 will be carried in 10 place number. Okay. Now add 10 place number and carry number. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Write 8 in 10th place column and then write 100 place. 3 is at 100 place. Answer is 382 is the sum or total. 382 is the sum or total. Okay. Now next see question 987 minus 32. You have to write the numbers in the box. Okay. The numbers should be in the box. Okay. Not out of the box. Okay. There is no space to write like this. So that's why I am writing like this. Next 987 minus 32. Write 9 in 100 place and 8 in 10 place. Next number is 7. 7 will be in ones place. Okay. Next 32. 3 to 32 like this. Write 987 minus 32. Okay. After writing, see in ones place column 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Write 5 in ones place column. Okay. Next 10 place column 8, 3. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Next 9 is alone. So write 9 in 100 place column. Answer will be 955. In subtraction, the first number is 987 is the median, 32 is the subtrahend, and 955 is the difference between 987 and 32. Okay. Next 872 minus 51. 872 minus 51. Write the numbers in correct columns. 8, 7 and 2. Okay. Next 51. Okay. 872 minus 51. Subtract 1 from 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. And 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. And 8 will be in 100 place. Okay. Answer is 872 minus 51 is equal to 821. 821. Okay. So I hope you are understanding, students, how to write the number in correct columns, then how to subtract and how to add the numbers. Okay. Next, fun with maths. Tangram is an ancient Chinese puzzle. It has 7 geometrical pieces. Solve the sum first and color the pieces as suggested. Tangram is an ancient Chinese puzzle. It has 7 geometrical pieces. How many pieces in Tangram? It has 7 geometrical pieces. Solve the sums first and color the pieces as suggested. First of all, we have to solve the sums and then we have to color the pieces. And see, start from 259 plus 228. Okay. And already it is written in correct columns. Okay, 259 plus 228. Add 9 plus 8 is equal to 17, right? 7 of 17, 1 is carry. Okay, and after carry, add 10 place number, 5 plus 1 6, and 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Write 8 in 10 place, and 100 place 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Answer is 487. 259 plus 228 is equal to 487. Okay. Okay, next 415 plus 218. 415 plus 218. So see, in first place column, 5 plus 8 13, right? 3 of 13. 1 will be carry in 10 place. Okay, carry number 1, and remaining 1 1 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, right? 3 number in 10 place, and 4 plus 1 is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Okay, answer is 633. 415 plus 218 is equal to 633. 633 is the sum or total. Okay, next we can solve 440 minus 209. 440 minus 209. Can we subtract 9 from 0? No, because 9 is bigger than 0. So we have to take one borrow from 10 place. So when we take one borrow from 4 number, so this converts 0 converts into 10, and 4 convert into 3. Okay, so subtract 9 from 10. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1, and 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. In 100 place, see 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Answer is 231. 440 minus 209 is equal to 231. Next, 768 minus 121. Subtract 1 from 8. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Write 4 in 10 place column, and 100 place 7 and 1 is at 100 place. Subtract 1 from 7 is equal to 6. 647. 768 minus 121 is equal to 647. Okay, next 838 minus 129. Can we subtract 9 from 8? No, because 9 is bigger than 8 and 8 is smaller than 9. We have to take one borrow from 10 place number, and see 3 is at 10th place. Now take one borrow. When we take one borrow from 3, this 8 converts into 18, and this 3 converts into 2. So 18 minus 9 is equal to 9, and 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, and 100 place number, 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Answer is 709. 709. Next question, 134 plus 119. 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. Write 3 of 13. 1 will be carry. Carry number 1 and 3 and 1. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. And 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Answer is 253. Okay, when we add 119 in 134, we will get 253. 253. Okay, next, the last question, 232 plus 124. 232 plus 124. Add ones place number, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Okay, 6. And 3 plus 2, 10 place 5. And 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 356. Answer is 356. 232 plus 124 is equal to 356. Okay. After solving, we have to see the color code numbers in the 100 place. 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7. See the answer and see the 100 place, and then color the number. Okay, and and see where the number, in which number comes 2 in 100 place. So see 231. 440 minus 209 is equal to 231, and see in answer 2 is at 100 place. 2 is at 100 place. So we have to color the box. 440 minus 209 is equal to 231. So color it, the box, the square, with red color. Okay. Next, and see in which answer 3 comes in 100 place. So see in 100 place 3 comes in 100 place when we add 124 in 232 in this question. Okay, 3 comes in 100 place after adding 124 in 212. Okay, (232) plus 124 is equal to 356. So color it with purple color. Color it with purple. Okay. Next, 4 number, and see where comes 4 comes in 100 place in answer. So see in this question 4 comes in 100 place after adding 228 in 259. 259 plus 228 is equal to 487. Correct? So color it with green. Color it with green. Okay? Color it with whole box. Okay? Not the number. Next is 6 number. So see here, in this question 6 comes in 100 place after adding 218 in 415. Okay, after solving you have to color this whole box with blue, because 6 comes in 100 place in answer. Okay, 6 comes in 100 place in answer, so color it with blue. Okay, the last question and the last color is remain brown, and for brown, so see where 7 comes in 100 place in answer. So when we subtract 129 in 838, so in answer 7 comes in 100 place in this question. See, 838 minus 129 is equal to 709. So 7 comes in 100 place in answer when we subtract 129 from 838. So color it with brown. Color it with brown. Color the whole picture, whole box with brown. Okay students, I hope you are understanding how to solve the number, how to subtract, how to add the numbers, and then how the color of picture and how to color the picture and shape. Okay, so students, make it practice again and again. Write in first in textbook, then you can practice and you can write in book number 7 2 times or 3 times. And one important thing is tables. So dear students, learn by heart tables 2 to 10 and make it practice again and again. Okay, so in next video we will see page number 109 and 110. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.